If you want a splash of early colour in the spring and something that's going to keep flowering pretty much all through summer, I don't think you can go wrong with Senettis. So I picked these up about 2 weeks ago from B&Q. They were £5 each. I bought 3 of them, and they come in a range of colours. I've chosen this deep magenta colour. I bought 2 of the 2 deep magenta ones, and that one which has an intense purple centre with white radiating out towards the end of the petals, and then it goes to purple again. They are an annual, so you won't have to buy them each year unless you can harvest the seed, which I've got to be honest, I don't bother with. I just pick them up each year. They do like a spot with full sun. So this area up against the fence here does get sun pretty much all through the day. That being said, I grew them last year in dappled shade and they did absolutely fine. I wouldn't say that they flowered to their absolute maximum, but they were certainly pretty decent. And in terms of care, they don't need a lot. You know, keep them watered. This is quite moist at the minute, so I will give them a water if we have periods of dry weather. And deadhead them, which is going to encourage the blooms to keep coming through. So you can see here that we've got these new buds coming through, but as the flowers go over and get past their best, just nip them off, and that will encourage the new fresh blooms to come through. And that will ensure that you pretty much get colour all the way through from early spring, I would say right to the end of summer. But then, like I said, they are an annual, so you will have to buy them again next year. But I mean, for £5 from B&Q, they're absolutely stunning. They did have ones that were twice the height of this, I would say, for £10, but I was fine just getting the slightly smaller ones. But absolutely stunning and really impactful in terms of the colours that you can get.